Hi everyone, did you know that about 20 million Americans suffer from some form of neuropathy? If you're experiencing symptoms like tingling, burning, or muscle weakness, you're not alone. In today's video, we'll uncover the top 10 foods that can help repair and protect your nerves. Stick around to learn how you can start feeling better with these nutrient-rich foods. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more health tips. To help repair and protect your nervous system, consider incorporating these top 10 nutrient-rich foods into your diet. First on our list are avocados. These superfoods are packed with potassium, which is essential for generating nerve impulses and controlling muscle relaxation and contraction. Adding avocados to your diet can help regulate your heartbeat, reduce muscle cramps, and protect your nerves from high blood sugar damage. Next, we have garlic. Fresh organic garlic contains alamine, a unique form of vitamin B1 that can penetrate deep into your damaged nerve cells and help heal them from within. Garlic also reduces inflammation and fights off underlying infections that may be causing nerve damage. High-quality grass-fed beef is another excellent choice. It's loaded with zinc, iron, omega-3s, B12, and CoQ10. These nutrients are essential for making neurons, neurotransmitters, and hormones. CoQ10 in particular helps protect nerves from environmental toxins and reduces tingling and burning sensations in peripheral nerves. Nutritional yeast is a powerhouse of B vitamins, except B12. These vitamins, especially B1, are crucial for healing microvascular damage and high blood glucose levels, making them particularly beneficial for diabetics or pre-diabetics. Berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins. These compounds protect neurons from the damaging effects of aging and are beneficial in protecting against Alzheimer's disease, anxiety, and depression. Oily fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA. These fatty acids reduce inflammation and help build new, healthy nerve cells. If you're not a fan of fish, you can opt for supplements like virgin cod liver oil or Arctic krill oil. Eggs are another fantastic food for nerve health. They supply a large amount of choline and B vitamins, which are crucial for fatty acid absorption and nerve signaling repair. Aim to eat 2 to 4 pasture-raised eggs every day for the best benefits. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, the compound that makes them spicy. Capsaicin has been shown to reduce pain and swelling for those with arthritis, post-surgical pain, and neuralgia. It's also found in some topical gels and patches for pain relief. Bone broth, made from boiled animal bones, is rich in glutamine. Glutamine supports healthy digestion and builds neurotransmitters, which are essential for nerve communication. It's also great for overcoming issues like IBS, Crohn's disease, and arthritis. Chia seeds support nerve health with their high calcium and protein content. Calcium improves cell structure, blood flow, and brain cell communication, all essential for nerve function. The protein aids in cellular repair. By adding chia seeds to your diet, you can enhance nerve signaling and overall nerve health. So there you have it, the top 10 foods to help repair your nerves and improve your nervous system health. By incorporating these foods into your diet and avoiding sugar, alcohol, and vegetable oil, you may notice significant improvements in just a few weeks. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more health and nutrition tips. Thank you for watching, and as always, I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.